अबे ये बहन का लोड़ा।
Mr. Skinny Bro starts yapping again in front of his old frickin' Motorola G60 that records in 360p. But today, let's discuss about the harsh realities of natty muscle building. This is me at 15 and this is how Skinny Bro looks like at 26. Today I'm 69 freaking years old and oh boy, muscle building is slow as jokes aside, I've been training since the past 4 goddamn freaking years and I have been able to pack on a decent amount of muscle, but not as nearly as impressive like the OG freaking natties that go by the names Dion De Silva, Jeet Sharma, Roshit Chauhan, and Chris Hemsworth. I'm 5'2" and I weigh 80 freaking kilos just to look like a freaking giant on the freaking internet, and I'm getting completely mocked by 16-year freaking olds who are popping pussy on a daily freaking basis, who are injecting steroids on a weekly freaking basis, and damn, oh boy, they're getting jacked with freaking home workouts and training with one single goddamn freaking adjustable dumbbell.
Yes!
I lost 27 freaking kilos naturally in 2022 and that's freaking history, and I started at 90 kilos and got down to 63 freaking kilos. I ate junk food, I did not track my calories, I did not track my goddamn workouts, and I did work from 9 to 4, which was my freaking miserable internship days. And I did fast 16 to 18 hours every freaking single day, which helped me restrict calories. You do not need clenbuterol and a shit ton of Monjaro to lose a shit ton of weight. It can be done naturally and it can be enjoyable. But as a goddamn realist myself, I can assure you that Ishan Thakur level of graininess, Rohit Chauhan level of vascularity, and Jeet Sharma caliber of dry skin aka paper thin skin is not achievable naturally. You need to pop steroids for that. Charlatans like Ashish Gupta, Dr. Harsh Kanwar, and your fitness stories portray themselves as science-based guru who know every freaking thing, who possess the elixir for infinite muscle gains naturally and zero muscle injuries. Injury-free lifting is a goddamn myth, and every advanced lifter has had his or her fair share of goddamn injuries. Yash Anand, Yash Sharma, Shreyas Kamath, Yatharth Chaudhary, Vedant Chaudhary, and Saket Gokhale all have fucked up their shit. These science-based yab gurus cite 8-week freaking sports science studies to prove a goddamn freaking point. No cap, bro. This ideology is scam loaded and hypocrisy loaded, because we all know that a decent natty physique is built after decades of consistent goddamn lifting.
No.
I have had my fair share of injuries like right QL tendonitis, left brachialis tendonitis, an impinged shoulder, AC joint pain, a fucked up left scapula. I have had right pec tendon strains, right pec minor strains, bilateral elbow tendonitis, left Achilles tendonitis, right knee issues, yada yada yada. And the only goddamn thing that freaking helped me is PRI, Postural Restoration Institute. Learning in depth about PRI and the concepts of PRI, like the left AIC, right BC, and the right TMCC pattern. This is a goddamn trifecta that is present in our body, basically explaining about the asymmetries and all the damn issues that is caused due to the asymmetries we have. And reading in depth about these things fixed my freaking issue, and not a goddamn sports science study which is conducted on newbies. Okay. Gut health, sleep, stress reduction, and deep diving into n number of nuances will help you with injury reduction, but will not make you injury free. Barbell rows करने से गांठ फट जाएगी. Upright rows will freaking nuke your type 3 acromions and will mess up your glenohumeral ligaments. No cap, bro. Science-based lifters can do better, and please stop fear-mongering your goddamn audience. If anyone wants to fix their nagging pain, strains and fuck-ups in general, you can DM me, you can call, text, email me, and I would love to help you. This is Lee Priest at 17, Ronnie Coleman at 15, Kashish Gupta at 69, and Shubhang Lifts at 22. All are natties except Kashish Gupta because he's clearly enhanced due to science-based lifting, but the difference between the genetic potential of these people is massive. The peaks of your biceps, the meaty tricep long head, humongous traps, bulbous medial head of gastrocnemius, 8-pack Ishan Thakur, Dion De Silva's watermelon pecs, and Rohit Chauhan level malnourished calves. All are genetically determined. But you, my friend, you can build a decent physique despite having shit genetics, unlike height, which requires limb lengthening surgery or tall parents. But having a doctor in front of your name is not determined by genetics, but determined by your father's CTC, which is giving rise to management quota quacks like Dr. Harsh Kanwa. But the true natties like Singha, Mihir, Ishan, Rohit, Jeet, you people have insane Indian genetics, and please hop on the goddamn Sawzul and dethrone the current Mr. Olympia, Derek Lunsford. To conclude, Zumba is the best freaking tool for muscle building, and please unsubscribe from Sonia's OnlyFans because YouTube Shorts is goddamn free. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
Please to channel my Sakrapara. Sakrapara. Sukrapa. Sacrifice.